Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divani Sosoko. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this. If you're having this on your skin or the picture you took, you discover that your subject has this these knuckles and all the color mixing. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this really simple and easy step. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first I'm going to duplicate the background layer into 3 places. I used to say is either I drag it down to this place or I will just press my Command J on the keyboard to duplicate. So I'll just press Command J twice. So after opening this, I'll name this first one 1, then I'll name the second layer 2. So after doing that, I will now come to the first layer. I'll hide the visibility of it. I'll come to the second one, then I'll click on my filter, then click on blur, then I'll choose Gaussian blur. So after that, I'll now take this to 0.1, then I'll now click on the sample skin, then I'll now use this to adjust it. So once I can't find any texture again, I'll just click OK. So I'll come back to the first layer 1, then I'll open the visibility, now click on image, then click on apply image. So after clicking on apply image, this is what's going to show next. So I'll come to the layer, I'll change it to the second layer, which is right here. Then make sure you leave the channel at RGB. Then I'll change the blending mode to subtract. So once I change it to subtract, make sure the opacity is at 100, the scale at 2, and the offset at 128. So once all of this is checked, you click OK. And you come right to the blending mode. You now change it to linear light. So once you change this to linear light, come right to this second layer here, you select it, then you create an empty layer by coming right down here to click. So I'll just type that skin. So I'll now highlight all the 3 layers that I've created right now, and I will now group it. It's either I press Command G on the keyboard, or I still drag it to this other point here to group it. So I'll just name this FS. So after naming that FS, I'll come to the skin here. This skin actually is for the correction of the color. So I'll come and I'll pick on my brush tool. Make sure you now change this flow to 2. So once you change it to 2, you now right click, make sure the brush is on a soft round brush and the hardness is 0. So once that is being checked, you now bring it, like reduce the size of the brush, then just pick on a sample skin that you want to use and replace the color right here. So I'll now pick here and I'll start brushing. You can see that place is dark, so I'll now pick a place that is, this place is bright, and I'll pick a place that is dark to replace right there. So I'll just pick again, and I'll now be brushing that point. Sorry. No, just be brushing the point. To this knuckle right here, I'm just going to use the same sample color, then I'll pick it here, then I'll now brush that dark area, and I'll still do it here as well. So I'll just be brushing just to get that dark spot out. So to this place that is bright, I'll still pick on the dark place, then I'll now be brushing. So you can now see the effect of it. So I just want to correct, and I'll come right here and I'll now pick. And I'll come to this side also, and I'll now pick a sample, please, and I'll be brushing. So right here. And I'll repeat the same process right here. So and I'll do it here as well. Just make sure the flow is on 2 while doing this so you guys can see the effect of it. And just be brushing. So while brushing you might not see the effect of it, but if you just click on this you see it. It is actually changing. I'll just pick a place that is right and then replace it there. I'll just do it here as well. So you can now see the before and after. So once I'm done with this, I'll come back to this layer 2. Then I'll now pick on the mixer brush. Make sure you change it to a clean brush. The weight at 30, load at 30, mix at 30, flow at 30. So I'll just start brushing the skin area to make it smooth. So I'll just brush it down here. So I just want to show you guys how to correct this color right here. And I'll just brush it. You can now see it's getting smoother. So a quick of that, I'll just come to the layer 1 and I'll now pick up my clone stamp, the opacity at 9.8. So I'll just reduce it. Then I'll just sample a place that is smooth and nice. Then I'll now replace it by just clicking Alt and pick this point to replace it right here. I'll come here and I'll repeat the same process. And I'll take this off as well. So I'll just make this one remain because so it will look natural. Then I'll come back to the second layer and I'll click on the mixer brush and I'll just correct that point. I'll come to this other end right here and I'll now brush it again to smoothen it. So I'll just smoothen it. Then no, smoothen that part as well. So now you have seen I've corrected the first finger right there, and I'll just smoothen this. I'll come back to this layer 1 right here. I'll pick on the clone stamp again just to pick out some blemishes. So I'll just pick this, just correct a little bit, not all. I'll leave that. I'll take this off. So I just leave this so it can look natural a bit. So I'll come back to the mixer brush and I'll just brush this area. You can now see I've corrected that point right there. So just a little bit of this point. So let me show you guys the before and after. The before and after. So this is how I get to, each time I'm having this kind of challenge with the color mixing and the knuckles and everything, this is the method I do use to correct it. So at like this point right here, you can now see there is an effect here. So I'll just come and create a layer mask, then I'll pick on the brush tool, then I'll make this flow to 100 and reduce the size of the brush. Make sure the foreground color is on black, just so I can remove this effect that has actually entered this point. Then I'll repeat it here as well. So you see the before and after. So this is how I got to remove knuckles and the color mixing and everything. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial video. But for now, see you in the next video.